step into the Dodge 2020 Durango SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Destroyer Gray Clear Coat, engine, 3.6L V6 24 UPG1 with ESS, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, STD, quick order package 2BA SXT included, engine 3.6L V6 24 UPG1 with ESS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, third row seating group included, second row 60/40 fold and tumble seat, third row remote headrest dumping, third row seat 7-passenger seating, black cloth low back bucket seats, manufacturer's statement of origin, Sirius satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 800-643-2112 and front license plate bracket.